Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukumi. In this quick video, we're taking a look at an Etsy store that I recently started about a month ago, and I sell basically personalized jewelry. And so I'm going to be showing you the store and the product I have listed, how much I've made, and all of that great stuff. This is just to show you that jewelry do sell on Etsy, especially personalized jewelry, and you do not have to know how to personalize the jewelry yourself. You can simply drop ship them or print them on demand, or whatever term you want to use. So I'm going to show you my store now and see how much we've made. So this is the store, and I'm just going to filter by all time. So this is the lifetime of the store. So I actually created a store on the 22nd of July, but I didn't list anything there. Nothing was there until the 4th of August. So I actually listed the first item on the 4th of August. And as you can see, by the 5th, I started getting some visits up and down. And you can see how it's been going up since then. So this is the lifetime of this store. So today is the 30th of August that I'm recording this video, and as you can see, the amount of visits I've had to the store, the amount of orders I've had, the conversion rates, and the revenue. So this is the store, and it's just to show you that custom jewelry is actually something that really do sell well on Etsy. Now let me show you what I sell and where I get them from. So as you can see here, I basically just have jewelry and with names on it, and that's just it. And I have just 25 listings here in this store. Now I don't create these jewelries myself. I do not personalize them myself. I use suppliers like You Only Jewelry and Art Shiny. So if you look at these two different suppliers, you can come on here. I'll put the link in the description for it to be quick and easy for you. Then you can come on here and customize whatever it is you want to sell on your Etsy store, and then download the product and upload it to your Etsy store. Not all of them have direct integration to Etsy. This supplier does not have a direct integration with Etsy. This supplier also does not have, but you can download the product and customize it for your liking. Download it and upload it to your Etsy, and when you have orders, you customize it to your liking. I have another video where I walked you through using You Only as a supplier for your customized jewelry. So I'll put that up in the card. You might want to watch that if you feel like. But yeah, you can actually get your custom jewelry from here, and you can also get it from here also. Same process, just download the pictures. You can download pictures. They allow you use the pictures, they allow you use the video. Download it and upload it to your Etsy store, and when you get an order, you just come on in here and customize it and then add it to cart, and that's it. So that's what I do, and that's how I've been able to generate this amount of sales. If I go to my order and delivery, I have orders here that I still have to fulfill, so you can see that I'm not bluffing. So these are orders that I have to fulfill. I'm going to be hiding some details from this store because I do not want I don't want the analytics to get messed up, but just to show you what's possible, what I would advise you do is to always go to your settings and make sure you name your production partner here, because Etsy wants to know if you're creating this yourself, and if you're not creating this yourself, make sure to state who your production partner is and where your order is coming from, so that your customers are aware and Etsy is also aware. So yeah, so that is what I want to show you quickly in this video. Now if you want to know step by step how I did this, how I set this all up, how I created my store, and how I set up my listings, and how I put in my tags and everything to convert like this, I have a resource in the first link in my description. Check that out, and that might be very helpful. So that is all about this video, guys. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.